accomplished. So let's take a look at the end result here. All these beautiful countertops. This reflection. It's nice and clean, there's no mess. Got this countertop, which looks like it's wet, but it's not. It is dry. It is dry. It looks super wet, doesn't it? Beautiful. No those crazy scratch marks or those scuff marks, none of that. All the etch marks gone. Let me show you. Look at the reflection of that right there. As you see my wife going right by there, you can see the reflection of her. Look at that. I mean, that looks like a mirror. Look at that.